you know, into this new year. I cannot believe it's 2023, which is crazy. So one thing I'm really trying to do more this year is especially as a new mom, is do some things for me every day, whether that be a 15-minute walk outside, you know, meditating just making sure that I am doing something to replenish my tank each day. So one really easy thing for me that I love to do is I take some time for skincare. So I love facial rolling. If you've watched my lives before, you've heard me talk about gua sha, facial rollers, all that. I'm really, really into those. And oh, dang it. Oh, good. I was making sure that this is charged. Really into facial rollers, gua sha, just massaging my face. I feel like it really does help. I'm almost 35, and I'm not trying to look like a 20-year-old or how I did in college. I want to look good for 35, if that kind of makes sense. So facial rolling is something I love to do. I love to do it. That's it. Put a little facial oil on or some serum. This one that I have highlighted comes with 2 tools, and they both vibrate, which for me, I feel like just kind of jiggles the pores. Maybe not jiggles the pores, but, you know, helps your pores get open and then get that product really in there, because it kind of like vibrates it in, if that makes sense. So I'll turn this on so you can hear. Maybe you can hear. Let's see. Let me know if you can hear that vibrating. So what I do is I'll put, like I said, some facial oil on. I wonder if I have any in here. Maybe I'll do a little bit. Or actually, let's do this serum. I love this. This was a splurge for me. This was, I think, like $150. This is the Filorga Hydra haul. So I'm just going to do a little bit to kind of show you what I do. I didn't get enough there. But I really, really love this tool. It feels for me like a 15-minute vacation or something. Okay, so got my serum. And always put the serum, don't put the dropper on your face. I was watching a dermatologist on TikTok talk about how if you put the dropper onto your face, it transfers bacteria. So put your product into your hand and then press into your skin. And the warmth from your hands also helps the product. Okay, so I just put a little bit of serum on, turn this on. I start at the bridge of my nose. Oh, this feels so good. And roll up and out, up and out, up and out. I kind of divide my face in half and do that. Oh my God, this feels so... The jaw, I think, is my favorite. It just feels like a literal massage. So don't mind me, I'm just going to be doing this the rest of the live. No, I'm just kidding. But I really do love this product and use it. And like I said, I just grabbed one of the tools from the pack it comes with. The other one is a wand that also vibrates. Same idea, it just doesn't roll, but same, the pushing up. One thing I like to highlight and mention is when you are doing facial rolling, you always want to do it the way you would want your skin to look, if that makes sense. So we want to be rolling up and out. We want to be lifting, lifting, lifting. So rolling up and out. And don't go back and forth, again, because we don't want to be pulling down. So roll up and out, lift. Roll up and out, lift. As far as cleaning this, I will I'll soak this in alcohol for like 30 or so minutes each time after use. The reason you want to do that is obviously to keep it clean. The whole thing about skincare is cleanliness and, you know, hygiene and whatnot. And so you don't want anything dirty on your face or going into your pores. So I talked about this a lot, longer than I thought, but I really do love this product and use it. Again, it comes with 2 products. They both vibrate. They're wonderful.